Welcome back to Mo's Learning Moments, and today we're going to do part 2 of phonics, and phonics are the sounds of the letters. So today we're going to do some. Are you ready? This is G. Can you say that? G. And this is how we trace it. G. Now I'm going to trace it in my salt. Around, up, down, and around. This is G. The next sound is H. 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 I'm going to now trace it. Down, up, and around. This is H. And now I'm going to trace it in my salt. Can you remember? Down, up, and around. Just to make it a little bit more clearer. Down, up, and around. This is H. Now here I have the sound I. Can you say that? That's right, I. And watch how I trace it. Down and the dot. And now I'm going to do it here. Down and the dot. This is I. This is J. What is it? That's right, J. Down and around. And the dot. Let's see, can I do it in the salt? Down and around and the dot. This is J. And the name of this sound is big K, but we can just say K. And this is how we trace it. Down, up, around and out. Big K. Down, up, around and out. Big K, but makes the sound K. Another way we can write big K is down, into the middle, up and down. Big K. And the last sound we're going to do today is O. This sound is O. Can you say that? That's right. Down. And watch me tracing O in the salt. O. This is O. Now, if you are using salt where you live, maybe you could ask an adult to help you and supervise you. I have some objects here from my classroom on the table, and I'm going to show them to you. Here I have a goat, and the goat is in behind the gate. And here I have a horn, like the horn in my car. Are you ready? And here I have an insect crawling on my hand. And here I have some lovely jam in my lovely jar. Oh, and here I have a special key, a giant key. And here I have a lion. Roar, a big lion. Now, a few minutes ago we were doing the sounds. So now we're going to pick a sound and we're going to see which object we put it with. Can you remember what sound this is? That's right, it's G. Let's look at the table and where do you think G goes? Can you hear G when I say goat and gate? That's right, G goes beside the goat and the gate. What sound is this? That's right, it's O. Let's look around the table. What object on the table starts with O? Oh, lion. That's right. O is for lion. So we'll put that there. Let me see which one comes next. Can you remember this sound? That's correct. Ha. Ha. Let's see. Let me look at the table. I see. Ha is for horn. So we'll put that there. And this sound, can you remember the name of it? Yes, big cup. Let me look around the table and see. I see my special key. Big cup, and we say cup is for key. What sound is this? It's J. Let me look. Come with me and we will see. Oh, I see. J is for jam and J is for jar. So we'll put J beside that. And the last one we have today. Can you remember? Yes, that's it. What's left on the table? The insect. I is for insect. Today we worked with G and H and I and J and big K, and we say K and O. Thank you for watching Mo's Learning Moments Part 2 Phonics. See you next time. Bye.